Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, please head on over to YouTube. Join our channel by hitting the subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter with Akash at Mangyeko and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Cardano, Cardano, like everything else, had a pretty massive drive south. The only difference is that, when you look at the major market cap cryptos, and some of the most important ones around the globe, Cardano had already been trading down for quite a while. When you look at the weekly chart, Cardano's been in a pretty stiff downtrend for ever since September 3rd. So yeah, really, 2 straight months. So we've been moving south here. Yeah, there we go. 98 calendar days. This is, and I talked about this last week too, that Bitcoin, and in my articles that I write, that not Bitcoin, but Cardano, more than any other major crypto, is poised for an absolutely explosive move higher. The 90-day Gann cycle extends to 99 days in 90 to 99 days, and we're really at the tail end of that. And the fact that it's showing up as Cardano's printing one of the most, one of the strongest bullish reversal candles up against its final, up against the major support level in the Ichimoku system and above the 2021 volume point of control. I mean, this is like a launching pad to the moon, for lack of a better description. And then you have the composite index on the weekly chart. If it would have closed down by 127, like on top of the Senko Span B, the reading for the composite index would have been the second lowest in Cardano's history. So, I mean, this is a phenomenal entry zone. And as far as upside potential, I maintain that seeing it around that $4 mark by the end of December to early January is still definitely in the cards. This is a textbook Gann setup for a monstrous reversal to end the current uptrend. And once it gets up to that high $3, low $4 level, then I think the uptrend will likely terminate, and we'll see a prolonged corrective move. But yeah, that's what I see. I'm not sure what you see, Akash.
Yeah, I've been expecting an uptrend from Cardano for a very long time, and it's honestly not presenting itself. But before I actually get into the lower time frame, I just want to mention that this particular the weekly demand zone is where Cardano kind of dipped extremely well into it, but kind of recovered, and the weekly candle for Cardano is looking pretty good. That's all I have to say from a weekly time frame. I don't generally do a higher time frame analysis, but so what I see here is that Cardano has collected liquidity resting above the 1.44 December 5th swing high, and it's very close to closing up this inefficiency that was formed here again. Might sound repetitive, but that's exactly what's happening. So this is where kind of I see a local top to form, unless there's like a massive buying that happens and then Cardano proceeds to go higher, collect liquidity resting above these highs here at 1.76. So let me just mark that out. So this is where I'm expecting a lot of liquidity. So yeah, I would love to long Cardano here, and assuming this is the top here, this is the swing high and the Cardano retraces. Let's just put it here. So because I expect Cardano to completely fill this gap, rebound here, and then go lower. We might not get into this area here, which is hold up. Am I seeing this right? Excuse me. Yeah. So I'm not expect Cardano to come down into the 1.3 to 1.46 zone here. It might bounce off of the 50 fib here, 1.37. Either way, I'm looking for a short-term correction of sorts after we fill the gap here at 1.45. In which case, if this does happen, then I would be looking to long Cardano here up to this particular point at 1.76, which would be a 30% upswing for Cardano. Right. That's pretty much all I have for Cardano. Nothing really bad here. Like, since I'm looking at a short-term outlook, I think this scalp would be pretty good and kind of falls in line with what I've been looking for a lot of altcoins, including Bitcoin. Not saying that all Bitcoin is included in the altcoin, but still, things are looking pretty good for altcoin. So I hope Bitcoin doesn't ruin that by prematurely triggering another flash crash. But either way, I think upside for Cardano limited to 1.76, 1.75. Downside, any move below 1.25 would kind of suggest that something else is going on, in which case I would expect Cardano to form some sort of a double bottom setup here, or collect liquidity or something below this, and then try to make a move higher. So either way, it's too early in the of the week to be extremely bullish. But that said, I am looking forward to a 30% option for Cardano. I hope that's not contradictory. Am I contradicting myself, John?
No, not at all. I don't think so. I mean,
Okay.
I think this whole morning session we've done is contradictory. Where, well, not really. I mean, maybe I'm just saying that because I have a moon target for Shiba and you didn't. So, okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you, Kash. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.